Hey guys, I'm Shahad. Welcome back to my channel. How are you? So for today's look, I wanted to do something that it's cute, quite nice for the summer vibes. Is it summer yet? Spring? I don't know, whatever. But it's nice. I saw this picture for this ad for the Riviera palette from the Anastasia. The Anastasia Beverly Hills new palette. I don't have it though. Anyway, but I have the same kind of, shades and stuff, so I thought it's cool, it's easy, I wanted to do it, so why not? So let's get started. For foundation, I'm using my Dior Backstage foundation, and the drill here, it's always noisy around here because there's kids everywhere, so please ignore that. Thank you. Before your face, I washed my face, I primed it with, stole from my sister-in-law. Didn't really steal it. Still have not given her back though, but I did not steal it, okay? Okay, and I have noticed that when this beauty sponge, when you wash it, look at how huge this is. This is like, wow, that's huge. And for concealer, I'm using my Fenty Beauty concealer. Wow, this hair is so messy. I'm gonna set my under eyes first with the Pro Filtr powder, and not faced just yet, and you'll see why in a second. Okay, make sure no creases while you're setting the under eye. And I am gonna use the Cover FX, and this is in the shade Moonlight. Now just a few drops right here. 1, 2. 1, 2, 3. Set the whole face. Fenty powder. For bronzer, I'm going in with my Hoola Benefit bronzer. A little bit of contour. Contour the nose. It's getting hot. For brows, I'm going with my Benefit Brow Contour Pro. But first, let me brush those hairs upwards. And I'm gonna blend that out with a spoolie. Now with my Anastasia brow gel, clear brow gel, I'm gonna add those hairs, make it more bushy. Okay, and as usual, I'm gonna do one eye off camera and come back again to do the eyes together, so wait for me. I can see you. Okay, and I am back with the one eye done right here, as you can see. I'm using again. There she is. I am loving it so far. I'm gonna set my eyes with a base, and I'm using my P.LOUISE base, and this is in the shade number 2. I'm gonna use this base on the upper part of the eye, just to curve out the brows and downwards. And I have some masking here, but that's okay. Okay, so I'm gonna curve my brows and use the upper part of the eyes. So I won't need to eat. Hi. As you know, and as I said in the first place, I don't have the actual palette. So I'm gonna do what I have right now with me. So I'm gonna use the James Charles Unleash Your Inner Artist palette. And I'm dipping the first shade, which is actually similar to the base shade. I'm taking this one right here. Okay. And I'm just gonna dip in the shades Benny and Boutique. But mainly I'm gonna focus on the shade Benny. And I'm popping it right on the beginning of the crease, as you can see right here. Just go over the crease. And then with the same brush, I'm gonna dip in the shade Boutique and I'm just gonna blend it together. And I'm gonna take that upwards a little bit. I'm taking this half oval brush and I'm doing the same technique that I did. And I'm light-handedly blending in the shade Boutique upwards. And now I'm just taking like any blending brush and I'm just going over. Because I want the shades to really be blended out. Going in with the base and then curving out the whole lid. And starting where the crease is. And I showed you how to know where your actual crease is. Smaller brush for that, because I want it to be more precise. Makeup wiper, I'm gonna break that up to make it more easy. So now it's time for the liner part, which is this blue liner right here. So now I'm taking this white shade from the P.LOUISE again, this white shade, this is the shade 0, and I'm taking like this, a very precise brush. Now if you ask me, I'm gonna tell you the truth that this is a painting brush. That's right. It's because I can't find brushes around here in Cambodia, so it still works. So I'm gonna pop that base right on the back of my hands, and I'm gonna create a liner with that base. And off we go with the liner. Trying to make it thick so we can actually, because I'm using as well black liner too. We're gonna pop on the shade, the signature blue shade, which is from the James Charles palette, Hello. And then just to make it more, you know, more a bit darker, I'm gonna use the shade Playground on top. And then I'm just gonna a thin, very thin black liner, and I'm using my Lancome. I don't know what this is. This is the Lancome Rose liner. Take that off now. Thank you so much for the guidance. She's soft and clean. Going in with my Benefit Bad Gal Bang mascara. Now for the waterline, I'm just gonna use a black liner. Yeah, so I saw this trick, I don't know, I think in Twitter, I don't know. So this is like your normal eyeliner, and this is just a normal black shade, and this is from MAC. And what you do is you swirl the pencil around, and it makes it more pigmented. But first, you have to make sure that you're not allergic, so be careful with that. Okay, now that we're done with the eyes, let's do the face. And I'm just gonna dip in this shade right here, which is, I feel is more, you know, and a little bit of that pinkish shade next to it. For highlight, I'm using my Babe, my Fenty Beauty How Many Carats. You want from me? A little bit of the Amrezy highlighter. And because that look is so simple, I'm just gonna use gloss. Fenty Beauty Gloss Bomb. This is in the shade Down Milk. And there you have it, you guys. This is the final look. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. I loved this look so much. It's so simple, it's so easy, and it's just, you know, it's fun. I love it. If you have the new Anastasia Riviera palette, I hope you enjoyed that, and whoever made it to the PR list, I'm so happy for you. Congratulations. Also, I saw this look, MedinaMUAYE. He is so funny. I love his looks. I love his videos. Please go check him out and tell him I said hi and subscribe to him. And yeah, that is it. That is all I have to say. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, hit that notification button so that every time I upload, you will get a notification. Be kind to everyone, be nice, and stay positive. And I will see you in my next video. Bye!